Siat, a global leader in the end-of-line industrial packaging sector, has built its success on internationalization for over 50 years. Siat's products are synonymous with exceptional quality, reliability, and continuous innovation. Today, Siat operates as a comprehensive group thanks to its recent acquisitions of Combi in the United States, a producer of custom end-of-line packaging solutions, and TAM in Italy, producing small metal and plastic spare parts, mainly for packaging and taps. Internationalization is a key aspect of Siat's structure, as the company operates globally and in multiple European countries also through Siat's support. Our international team dedicated to enhancing our competitive presence and building strong customers' relationships. However, its main production hub remains in Turret, nestled in the heart of northern Italy, only 20 kilometers from Milan. Driven by professionalism, innovation, creativity, and a constant pursuit of quality, Siat sets itself apart in both Italian and international markets. The company's brand represents solutions for every packaging need. Taping machines, formers, wrapping machines, automated packaging lines, strapping machines, dispensers, and flexographic printing machines. Siat's production chain spans over 15,000 square meters, housing state-of-the-art automated facilities that manufacture an average of over 24,000 machines annually. The company's story exemplifies collaboration, innovation, ambition, sustainability, quality, and the excellence of Made in Italy. This dedication drives Siat to create products that are exported globally to meet the diverse demands of customers around the world. Siat's customer service is composed of a multilingual team and manages daily interactions with customers, always ready to provide assistance and ensure customer satisfaction. The engineering department consistently develops innovative and reliable solutions, while also managing technical documentation, supporting production processes according to principles of lean, and ensuring compliance with industry standards. Innovation is also driven by a young and dynamic atmosphere, which combines productivity with moments of engagement. Siat recognizes the impact it has on both the local community and its people. The Family Day is a way to thank our people, those who support them, and the community where we live. The strong participation makes us very proud and reinforces our shared commitment. This is Siat, a growing international company driven by innovation, investing in its people to promote their growth.